The case is designed for comfort in the hand and confidence in daily use. The smooth, woven finish resists fingerprints, scratches, and fading. The edges are polished to perfection, ensuring there are no sharp corners, just a soft, continuous surface that feels premium from every angle. Despite its minimal thickness, it offers reliable defense against daily wear, while maintaining. The texture is woven, not printed, created using ultrafine aramid fibers that lend the case both strength and subtle luxury. Unlike typical carbon fiber, aramid fiber is non-conductive, meaning it won't interfere with wireless signals or MagSafe performance. The finish is silky smooth, with just enough grip to prevent slips, while the weave catches light in a way that constantly shifts, much like the sky it was inspired by. Pitaka once again proves that premium materials don't have to look sterile. They can be artful, tactile, and timeless.